Okay, so I'm going to show you the steps to finding an inverse from an equation. Now your book says from a formula, but I'm going to use the word equation. So I'm going to do an example alongside it. So let's say we have the function f of x equals, and I'm just going to pick a linear equation, a linear function. Okay, so say that's your function. Step 1, replace f of x with y. Okay, so write it like we're used to seeing a linear equation. It doesn't have to be linear. It's in terms of inputs and outputs, but we want to put that y in there, and there's a reason for that. So the notation is going to be easier if we do that. So step 1, take out the function notation and replace it with y. Step 2, switch x and y. Okay, so this is where we get the idea of an inverse. Then my x is going to be there, and my y is going to be here. Now, if you happen to have more than one x in the equation, then both of them get replaced with y. So sometimes that happens. Anyway, here's this one. Step 3, this is where the math work comes in. Solve for y. Okay, in this case then I would subtract 4, I'd divide by 3 to get y by itself. Okay, and you could write that as 1/3 x minus 4/3 if you wanted to, but I'm just going to leave it that way. Then the last thing we do is we replace y with f inverse of x. So I'm going to write this as f inverse of x equals x minus 4 over 3. Now, let me show you something. No, I'll find another example. Sorry about that.